What's your arms and knees?
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child.
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true. I saw the whole thing.
Happy birthday, Spooksy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
This human child froze me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me with a
Oh, Blue, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Oh, he's a sweet monster in the sky! Save him!
My kid was Wazowski! And on my birthday! I thought you heard about me!
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
We are at the scene, number one. Take on your darky spread out and lock it down. There's nothing down here. I have the girl's picture. All clear over here.
I hate working nights! Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens!
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, though?
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
What? Oh, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan! They'll never get her home now!
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
My Wazowski!
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Careful and thorough observation of the perimeter. We quickly render
You all have to get decontaminated.
992. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 progress search reported to the scene where he immediately cleared the area.
Come on, people. That's right. Nothing to see here.